Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to make these pretty flowers which I've got on the table. These flowers are made with Lady E design dye called Leaves 002 and Foamiran from 14 Craft Bar Foamiran, which is 0.6 millimeter thick. Lots of people asking me about the Foamiran, about the thickness, so it's 0.6 millimeter, and I'm using the middle die from the set, middle size. So I have die cut few flowers and I'm using the same die to create a leaf on the bottom of the flower. So for one flower I used 2 or 3 layers of the like one color of foam, and I've got the green on the bottom. Okay, what I as you can see, what I did here, I had the stamens on the bottom, but then I started to cover the stamens with the leaf, so this is a good idea to use that leaf to cover the bottom of your stamens. Okay, so what we will start with, just add a little bit of color. I will start with 2 layers, and I'm using distress ink because it's really nice, match my foam, and I'm just adding the color on the top layer of my flower, just in the center. So as you can see, I had darker center of the flower. And then we need to fold it. You can fold it in half, then in half, and the last one will go on the bottom. But also you can just grab it like together, because we really want to grab the top of my petals, really top, and roll only on the top. As you can see, the top is wrinkled. Okay, then I'll be using the tool. The flower is quite small, so I got big fingers. I'm not going to shape it with the with my fingers. That's why I found the tool very easy to use. So I just place the the ball near the center of the flower, I mean in the middle of the petal, or like that, in the middle of the petal, and with those 2 fingers push the foam into it, so it gives me nice curly shape. Oh, it's gone. So let me repeat that. Just push the foam into the ball and try not to touch the top now, because we want the top to stay nice and wrinkled. So only place the ball in the middle of the petal and press. Okay, then I will use the foam pad just to press in the middle. So that's the first layer, and we do the same with the second one, and we will do the same with the leaf actually, but we don't have to shape the leaf so much. So just rolling the top and then using that ball to curve the petal a bit. Okay, then press. We've got another one, and I will do the leaf as well. The leaf, we don't have to shape it so much, it's just like to wrinkle the edges, yeah. the edges, and we will leave it like that. Okay, so I will take, how many do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, so probably 4 or 5 stamens, and I've got the stamens from 14 Craft Bar as well. So I have 5 here. These are like olive green color, and I like to make them equal on one side. Oh, I forgot my magic wire. Where is it? So I've got that wire which will help me to put the stamens through my flower. So I will place the wire on the stamens, like in the middle, then fold those stamens and fold the wire, but trying not to twist the wire. Okay, and I will add a tiny dot of a glue here, and we'll just stick them together, but not at the very top of the stamens, like keep away from the top. Okay, hope you can see that. So we will make a hole. Well, I need something to make a hole here. And here as well. And I will put those stamens through my first layer. And what I will do here, I just add a glue very near the center of the flower, and I'm just squeezing the foam a little bit from the bottom, so it's attaching to the stamens. Create something funny like that. Okay, and then you can add a little bit more glue, just tiny dot, really, just for the foam to stick to the stamens. Okay, and what I do, I will push that through the second layer. And what I like to do, not to overlap the petals. So before I will stick it, I'm just checking, and I will add dot of a glue between the layers and push. Oh, it is overlapping now. Come on, move. Stuck. Oh, what a great video. Okay, that's better. Okay, so then I would like to, this one is a bit funny, but that's fine. Oh, I don't have the scissors near me, or do I? So I would like to cut it near the center. Okay, I'm just cutting the stamens off, and I will secure them with the hot glue. Okay, and also I'm going to attach the leaf now, which will go between my petals. This way you cannot see the stamens, and you've got it ready. So what I would do as well, I like to add the glitter to my flowers, and I've got that, this is the glitter, it's Ayeda ink from 13 Arts, and it's white glitter basically. It's like a, but it's not glue, well, whatever, it's like with some liquid, so it is easy to just add a little bit, because it will work as a glue for my glitter, which I'm going to sprinkle over that. So I'm adding a little bit of this one, and then I've got more glitter from 13 Arts. This is really pretty glitter, so I will sprinkle just a little bit. You don't have to add glitter to your flowers, of course. I just love glitter. I like that touch of sparkle. So this is it. I'm going to make more flowers today. Let me just shake the glitter off a little bit and I will show you. Okay, that's the flower. Very easy to make, as you can see, and I hope you make some. Okay, thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye.